Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Meta Quest 3 step by step clearly. To set up your Meta Quest 3, start by unpacking the headset and accessories. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Charge your headset using the included USB-C cable until it is fully charged. Put on the headset and press the power button to turn it on. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your preferred language. Next, you will be prompted to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password to establish a connection. Once connected, the headset will check for software updates. If updates are available, allow the headset to install them. After updates, you'll be directed to the login screen for your Meta account. Sign in using your existing Meta account or create a new one if necessary. Once logged in, you will need to set up your Guardian boundary. Move the headset around to define the play area by drawing a boundary. Make sure the area is free of obstacles for a safe experience. Once you've completed the boundary setup, select the app you want to start with. You can access the Meta Store to download additional applications and games. Explore the library to find the content that interests you. Follow any in-app instructions to customize your experience. Finally, enjoy your immersive adventures in the virtual world with your Meta Quest 3. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.